So hello guys, I am Surbi and in this video I'll show you how you can draw this beautiful mandala from beginning. So if you are a beginner then keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. So I've already uploaded a tutorial on how to draw great for mandala. So if you don't know how to draw you can check it out. So if you want more tutorial like this, subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. So I have already drawn circles and grid. So the radius of the outermost circle is 8 centimeter and all the circles are 1 centimeter apart. So first you need to draw circles 1 centimeter apart and the outermost circle at 8 centimeter. Then we will start drawing our mandala. So first make the very first circle with the black gel pen. And then in the next row we will start drawing rounded petals using two grid lines like this. So use two grid lines and make one rounded petal like this. We are using two lines because lines here are small and we can't draw any petals using just one line. So use two lines and make rounded petals. So let's complete this row. After that, start making patterns in these petals by using a line and a dot. So draw a line and a dot. This is a very simple pattern. And also the petals are small, so I would like to add minimal details, not making it too hectic. After completing the first row, in the next row, again we will use two grid lines and draw one rounded petal like this. So use two lines and draw one rounded petal, just like this. So we will complete drawing rounded petals in this row like this. After completing the petals, we will draw patterns. So first double the lining of these rounded petals like this. Then draw a design at a corner and fill the remaining petal with black. So double the lining of these petals, then make a design and fill the remaining petal. So we will complete this row by using this simple pattern. So let's complete this row. And if you have any questions related to mandala art, ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely make a video. And also if you want any kind of specific tutorial, let me know in the comments. Let's complete this row. After completing this row, in the next row, use two lines and then draw one pointed petal like this. So we will use two lines and draw one pointed petals. And I was thinking of making a real-time mandala art video. So let me know in the comments should I make it or not. Now let's complete this row. After that, to make a pattern in this, double the lining of these pointed petals and then draw a line and a circle like this. So we will use this simple pattern in this complete row. This is a very simple pattern. So if you are a beginner, you can definitely make this. Now let's complete this row. Or if you want, you can also draw just a line and a dot in this like we draw in the first row. So you can also use that. After completing this row, we will make this circle with our black gel pen to mark the end of first portion of our mandala. So the first portion of our mandala ends here. After completing this, we will start drawing petals like this using just one line of our grid because lines here are a little big than the previous rows. So here we will use only one line to draw patterns. So let's complete this row. Then to make patterns in these petals, we will double the lining of these petals and then make a design like this. Add just a line and a dot. So we will complete this row by using this very simple pattern. Double the lining of these petals, draw a line and a dot. So let's complete this row. And also if you want, you can double the lining and then fill the complete petal if you want, or draw a line in the middle and fill one side as you wish. You can make the patterns very simply. And when you try a lot of mandalas, you will start making your own patterns. After completing this, in the next row, we will use two of these grid lines and two circles to make one pointed petal like this. We need to draw a little big petals, so we are using two lines and two grids. So use the last two circles and draw one pointed petal like this. And if you are someone who find it difficult to make pointed petals, it's very easy for you to draw like this, because in the first circle we are drawing a line on our grid and then we are making it a little curvy to make pointed petals. So in the first circle, draw a line on your grid and then make it curvy like this. So this is the easiest way to draw pointed petals. Now let's complete this row. And then we will make patterns in these petals. So double the lining of these pointed petals like this. Then draw a line in the middle. Then draw some diagonal lines at one side like this. So at one side draw diagonal lines. And at another side make some petals like this. It is very simple. It's like curvy petals. So draw some curvy petals at one side. So double the lining of these pointed petals like this. And draw a line in the middle and draw some diagonal lines at one side, and at another side draw some curvy petals. Now let's complete this row. So after completing this row, we will make the outermost circle with our gel pen. To finish our mandala, now we will fill the very first circle of our mandala with gel pen. So you can fill this completely with black, or you can make any simple designs in this. But I suggest you to make these circles completely black because it gives a good finishing to our mandala. Now we will also fill this section completely black where we ended our first section of mandala. So fill all the empty spaces in this circle too. Let's finish this. And then we will also fill this last circle of our mandala with completely black, and if you want you can draw lines in this, but I prefer to color it black completely because it will give a better finishing to our mandala. So let's complete this. And tada, our mandala is completed. So if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section and also tell me what kind of tutorials I should make next. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.